Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, All the Opulence. First of all, I just want to say thank you for all your support, your comments. I really appreciate it, and I've got a beautiful unboxing for you guys today. So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, there we are. As you can see, I've got a Louis Vuitton box again. It's like I'm obsessed with Louis Vuitton right now. I am been looking at a lot of the sneakers and all, and I really absolutely love them. So I can't get enough of these bad boys. So without further ado, let's just get straight into the unboxing and start just unboxing everything. I'm so excited. So let me remove the box. The flap right there, as you can see, it is two dust bags as usual with every Louis Vuitton sneaker. So put the little box, the top box on the floor right there, and as you can see on top of there it says Louis Vuitton right there. Okay, so before that, let's see what is in the box and what comes with it. Comes like that. I'm sure you guys can see that. All right, so it comes with an extra shoelace that says Louis Vuitton right there. Okay, so let me just open it up so you guys can see what is in there. It is a white shoelace, which I think is pretty cool. It's right there. All right, let me put it back in here. Put it back. All right, what else we've got here? Okay, of course we've got the care booklets right there, and the usual, what else, what they always write up, and how to care for the shoe, take good care of it, keep it in a pristine condition. So, and this is the bowl that came with it. Of course I unboxed it before bring it, because I couldn't wait before I unboxed the whole thing, but better late than never. And what else? Okay, so this is the receipt, which we will come back to later on. Says Louis Vuitton on there. Wonderful. All right, without further ado, let's do it. This is it right here. Okay, you guys ready? All right, 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! Look at that. It is the Monogram, mixed Monogram sneaker, which is the runaway sneaker. I absolutely love this. This is brilliant. It's so beautiful. It is so beautiful. And from looking at it, you can tell they've got the brown in the front. On the side, it has the whites. Let me bring it a little closer so you guys can see it. And on the back, he has the black monogram. The black, I believe, is called Eclipse monogram. But the white, I can't remember what the white is. What the white is exactly called. So of course I've won this because I really couldn't wait. I was so excited to wait. So I just I wore them. But you know what they say, better late than never. The bottom is a little bit dirty, but you know how white is. Once you wear them, even though you clean them, it's still gonna look a little bit yellowish, So yeah, when I wore them, I actually cleaned the bottom with baby wipes and some damp cloth, just to make it look a little bit presentable for you guys. But sorry about that. I just couldn't wait. It happens. I'm sure you guys won't fault me too much for that. Okay, so I will remove the other foot for you guys, so I can give you guys a 360 spin, so you see what it looks like together. I'll just put the box on the floor right here. There we are. That's the front. Side, right side, left side, and the back. And of course the bottom. Yep. So it is very comfortable actually. Wearing it is, I must say, is actually one of the most comfortable sneakers I've ever worn for a designer trainer. Like, it's a really good sneaker. I like them. You know, it's very comfortable. It's stylish. You know, and it's different. You know, the 3 monogram print mix is different. And of course, you know me, I like something that's just different. It's not like everybody's, you know, like it's not out there, so to speak, you know. So yeah. And of course, as usual, I'm gonna be doing the on feet for you guys, so you see what it looks like on feet, you know. So that's the quick unboxing I've got for you guys today. So the monogram, the brown monogram in front, the white on the side, and the black at the back. And of course, at the back, you can see the Louis Vuitton there. Let me just bring it a little closer so you guys can see it. There we go, if this camera can focus it. Yep, there we go. Louis Vuitton on the back. And of course, the inside too has the Louis Vuitton Paris inside there. You know, so yeah, it is absolutely beautiful. I love them. Very comfortable, very stylish. And that's it. That's the quick unboxing I've got for you guys today. So, and this retails for, we got the receipt here. After tax, everything is $980. Oh, sorry, my bad. After tax, everything is $974.66. So I'm gonna bring it a little closer for you so you guys can see it. Right there. So yes, that is all I've got for you guys today. And I will be doing the on feet for you guys as usual. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, if you're new, thank you for watching the content, and then make a comment, share the video with your friends. Thank you guys for the people that's been supporting us, that's been subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much. And that's the unboxing I've got for you guys today. So have a great day, you guys. Bye bye. Thank you.